In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Pipedrive API key. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right in. First, we need to start by logging into your Pipedrive account. So go ahead and open your favorite web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once the browser is open, type in the URL for Pipedrive and hit enter. This will take you to the Pipedrive login page. Here, you'll enter your credentials, your email, and password, then click the Login button. Easy enough, right? Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Pipedrive dashboard where all your projects and deals are displayed. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you will see your profile icon or avatar. Click on that and a little drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, select My Account. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various account settings. It's a straightforward, user-friendly interface. Don't worry, we're almost there. Next, we want to find the Preferences section. So in this My Account menu, look for an option that says Personal Preferences and click on it. This area allows you to adjust various settings related to your account and overall experience on Pipedrive. Now, listen closely because we are about to access the API section, which is crucial for getting your API key. On the left side of your screen, you will find a list of different tabs. Look for the one labeled API. It's usually located towards the bottom of the list. Just click on that tab and you'll be taken to the API settings page. You should see your unique API key right there in front of you. It's a long string of characters that's essential for integrating Pipedrive with other applications and services. This is an important step, so pay attention. To copy your API key, simply look for the Copy button next to it. Click that button, and just like that, your API key will be saved to your clipboard. And that's it! You've successfully accessed and copied your Pipedrive API key. Just remember that this key is sensitive information. Treat it like a password. Don't share it with anyone who shouldn't have access to your Pipedrive data. Before we wrap up, just a quick recap. We logged into your Pipedrive account, accessed the settings through My Account, navigated to Personal Preferences, found the API tab, and copied your unique API key. Simple steps, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on how to maximize your use of Pipedrive and other essential tools. And don't forget to like the video, it really helps support the channel. Thanks for watching and best of luck with using your